We all human beings go through stress and emotional trauma, and that is not a news. And that is a toxic energy. How do we know? Because we don't feel well. It's as simple as that. If we could see it, we could see, say, like a dark cloud somewhere in our body. And when we keep that toxic energy in our body, not because we want, but nobody taught us how to deal with that. Our parents didn't know any better. In church, they don't teach that. In the school, less. And you will see that this simple explanation should be taught to the kids. It's very simple. When we keep that energy, it accumulates in our body, in our energy centers or chakras. Have you heard about the chakras? Okay. This is a representation of a person who doesn't have any energy blockage. And this accumulation of these toxic energies in our chakras is what we call energy blockages. This represents a broken heart, and a broken heart could be a friend that doesn't talk to us anymore, somebody that we love that is sick or die. It could be our pet that is sick. Anything that is related to the heart. It's not just a romantic relationship that didn't go well. And when we have energy blockages in the solar plexus, our self-esteem is compromised. We feel that we are not good enough, we are not worth it, and we give our power away. What does it mean? Let's say that we go to a restaurant with friends, co-workers, family members that we don't like that restaurant, that place. And we go the second time and the third time, and we are either holding grudge or not feeling well. But we don't have the personal power to say, hey guys, hey friends, can we go somewhere else? And probably they will say, yes, no problem. But because our self-esteem is corroded literally by these toxic energies, we give this power away. We give the power away to people, to the government, to the TV, controlling our life instead of we being the captain of our life, literally. And it happened to all of us. It happened to all of us at some point of our life. When people have energy blockages in this area, the second chakra, they feel anxiety, sometimes extreme anxiety. And all these symptoms, let's put it that way, cannot be solved with a chemical, like a medication, because they are in our energy. Medications act in the physical level, and this is in an energy level and consciousness level. And the combination of these energy blockages, we could feel almost anything. Depression, panic attacks, suicidal thoughts, chronic fatigue. We have no energy and we don't know why. Pain, chronic pain, or pain that we wake up one day with this terrible pain in our lower back, in the back of the lung, on the head, or anywhere in the body, and we didn't fall. Nobody punches or anything like that. We didn't have an accident, but the pain is there. And chronic health conditions, from a chronic headache, from chronic pain to cancer. All those things are produced first in the energy, in the toxic energies. And all energy blockages are energy parasites. What does it mean? They are not only absorbing our energy 24/7, that they do, but they influence our minds with toxic thoughts, with negative thinking, our emotions with toxic emotions, our actions and reactions. Instead of thinking twice or a little bit longer, we react. We react in a that's the men's department in a violent way, and women usually get sad. But this reaction is because of this toxic energy. This is one kind of energy blockages, and this is another one. A toxic energy core that connects us with another person. How do we know we have it? Very simple, because we think of a person and immediately we have a toxic emotion. We are sad, we miss someone, we have fear, we have rancor, we are holding grudge, or we are angry. I always say the same to all my clients. Between you and me, we don't have this. But the moment that we get into a fight, this will form, and this we are going to be influencing each other in a negative way. This can be healed also because it's energy. There is a deeper level of energy blockages. I don't have a specific drawing, but it's a combination of these two. Does it make any sense? All right. My work is to find them all. I have a way, I do a scanning to find them all and remove them. But your work and my work and everyone else, my clients who knows this dynamic, and I am very conscious about what I'm going to tell you, we all need to identify the sources of energy blockages. Whether it's staying too late at night in social media until 3 a.m. and not getting the beauty sleep, or a food or a substance or or a person. So we need to identify this and try to heal the situation or be so strong that that situation doesn't affect us. Like, for example, we are living with someone or we are dealing at work with someone and the actions of the other person are bothering us always. This is because we have something. An energy blockage is like an open wound. Somebody touches and ouch, we say ouch. If we don't have it, nothing bothers us. It's difficult to get there, but this is what it is. We all have to find out these sources of energy blockages and try to heal, to be strong, or to run away. I have many people who came because they have a toxic work, or because the people at work, or a toxic relationship. And so we have to decide what is better for us.